Hey guys! So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my very first Louis Vuitton bag. I got the Neverfull in the Damier cherry color. I have been wanting this bag for years. I've literally been obsessed and like stalking this bag since like, I don't know, 2013 or so, I don't know. And so today, or not today, this week I went to the mall, the Short Hills Mall in New Jersey, and they had Louis Vuitton. Did I think I was gonna get the bag that day? No, but here it is, it's right here. Yeah, so the standard Louis V, you know, wrapping bag, the pretty blue, you know, straps. And this is the box that she wrapped it in. I bought this bag 3 days ago and I haven't seen it since I was like, that's the one in the store. I haven't seen it in 3 days. So me unboxing it will be kind of like almost like a little gift to myself because it's like I haven't touched it or seen it in 3 days. So yeah, so here it is, this big old box. I am not sure if I am supposed to unwrap it or does it do this? Okay, I'm just going to unwrap. I like how the ribbon says like Louis Vuitton all over it. That's very pretty. So yeah. All right. Oh, that's how it opens. So, oh, it just smells like leather. Like, oh my God. Dang, okay. All right, so right here is the bill that everyone pretty much always shows. You know, all of my information, all that stuff. So I'm not gonna share the price with you because I mean, you guys can go on the website and you know, it's kind of, if you go on the website and then go to checkout, that's pretty much how much I paid for this bag. So I will not be sharing my price from how much I paid because like, why would I do that? So yeah, a little thing in here. I don't know what this is for, but okay. Here's the dust bag. Yep, that's the dust bag. Louis Vuitton on the dust bag. Just, y'all. All right. Okay. Y'all, I was in the store. I was acting a mess. I was like, I'm not even worthy to like, you know, sit here, but yeah. All right, right here, it like says like Neverfull GM NM and something. All right, let's open it up. All right, so take it out the bag. Holy, y'all. So I got the Neverfull and the GM, not the, I think there's like an MM, which I didn't even know until the day I went in. But basically there's like smaller versions. And I got the biggest version, only because like I felt like if I would have got the smaller one, I would have been like, oh, I regret not getting the bigger one, if that makes sense. And it was only like an $80 difference. So I went on ahead and did this. So basically I got the cherry interior, the brown Damier. I don't even think I'm saying it right, Damier. Wow, it smells like a new car. It smells like a new car. Inside there's like a little like buckle that I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's the inside of the bag. There's a little pouch on the inside. And yeah, this is the bag. It is beautiful. The like little inner pockets says Louis Vuitton. It has like little zippers. Here's the pouch. I didn't get to touch the pouch when I was on the inside, only because I don't know, I think it was like attached or something like that. But here's the pouch that I can kind of just like hold like that. Yeah, the good old Neverfull pouch. On the inside of this, it's even cherry as well. There's like little, I don't know what these are, but yeah. So that is the pouch. The pouch is so cute. Yeah, I will probably use this pouch to carry my phone and other things. And this pouch alone is literally the same size as my Kate Spade purse that I wear. I don't have many bags, so the only like big girl bag that I bought other than this bag was my Kate Spade bag that I bought back in August, and this is literally the exact same size. So this is pretty crazy. And this is will just be for my wrist. It's like, okay. Beautiful thing. I don't know why it kind of tilts in like that. It's kind of, but yeah. So this is, it's humongous, isn't it? Like, it's so big. I am in love. I'm in love. That's all I can say. Like, I don't really know what else to say. Like, that's it. Like, that was my unboxing. Like, there you go. Like, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if, you know, you like this bag, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So, thank you.